fresh counter-offensive against criminals now underway in western Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, tourism authorities want more business operators to set up other attractions in the West. And we tell you how some Jamaicans are celebrating Father's Day. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.